What is up, Hitec Nation? Today I am bringing you guys the very first look at the brand new RDX4 Mini. So jumping straight into it, the first thing we see in the box is the RDX4 Mini Quick Start Guide, which is going to tell you everything you need to know to get started with your charger. And then inside the box we have on the right side our AC and DC power cables, and on the left side we have our beautiful RDX4 Mini. So here's the brand new RDX4 Mini. Up front we have 4 charging ports with their own individual balance leads, all labeled A through D. On the top of the charger we have our LCD display screen, our metal scroll wheel to help you navigate the display screen, and our port button to help you change throughout all 4 ports. And on the back side of our charger we have our AC power in, DC power in, data cable, and a nice cooling fan. This charger has multi-battery chemistry support, so it'll support most of the popular battery chemistries. It comes with 4 different functions: balance charge mode, storage mode, and discharge mode. It can charge up to 4S batteries at up to 6 amps. This charger, along with the rest of our charger line, comes with a 1-year warranty. So if it stops working, contact our service department to get your product repaired or replaced. But if you were looking for something with a little more power, we also have the original RDX4 available, which has a charge current of up to 200 watts on AC and 400 watts on DC, and can handle up to 6S batteries with a slightly bigger profile than the Mini. And that about wraps it up for the brand new RDX4 Mini. If you guys were interested in picking one up for yourself, you can find it along with the rest of our charger and servo lines at hitecrcd.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.